That's one of the reasons we are here to.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for coming.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Acha, now let's.
Glad that you are interested in our countries. That's amazing.
We all live here.
Right. Very.
You know, right? All pictures.
Are we doing this together?
No, it's all yours. Mansi, come here. So this is, I want to introduce you to Mansi.
Hi.
She's also student from Columbia, and she and Admiral Rao have been the real leading lights behind this. He with all the experience, she with all the maps, but a large group of students, architects, urban planners, we formed the citizens movement for Apni Bola. Apni, of course, being our member, but also a Portland initiative. So Admiral and Mansi, over to you.
Okay. So we're just going to run you through the panels. So the first one is basically the intent of this exhibition is to say that Mumbaikar first. No matter what plan comes in the city, you should think about the Mumbaikar first, and then once you are making all the Mumbai people happy, then think of all the tourists and everything else. And then this is just talking about the area which is under consideration. So we have around 1,000 acres, which is like right. And then these are guidelines as per the Ministry of Urban Affairs. So there is a possibility of having 34 schools, 20 hospitals, all of this for the population on this side, which is already there, which is already deprived of a lot of these social amenities. So we just did a quick calculation and kind of came up.
What is your career?
So right now this area is owned by the Bombay Port Trust, and a lot of these are just the relevant sheds that used to be
So just empty sheds that are
just
lying there.
empty sheds.
Ranji, this step, this goes right from gateway of India,
Yeah.
right up to
But are
Sir,
go there and
Yeah, this is a site that I've actually never traveled to.
No.
I've lived here 30 years. I've
50 or 70 years and I'm
That's why please look here. Start by saying the Mumbai is best kept secret.
Yeah, because nobody except the express.
You get a marine drive and the very secret is June and vacant.
Yeah, it's vacant.
It's vacant. You won't believe it. And what they do with that when you go there, you'll be shocked. You dump garbage. Yeah, it's unbelievable. And they are willing to release this area to the city of Bombay. So it belongs to Bombay Port Trust.
Okay.
And most of this is shifted to Jawaharlal Nehru Port.
Okay.
So no ships have stopped coming here.
Which means it's owned by the city already.
Yeah, it's under the government of
It
India.
belongs to the government of India, not the city.
But
Central
it is,
government, not the state government.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Okay.
So we have said that you should somehow create a corporation and somehow develop this. What an opportunity for us. What an opportunity. You'll never come up with.
This is 400 acres.
You can actually see these.
Yes, these are just railway sidings and go downs.
Yeah.
Empty, complete.
let's start with small.
Divided into
Yeah, so we divided into 12 start things that you can start with. The first one is Sydney Nature Park, which is already got, like, if you know that the flamingos come here every year.
Yeah.
Which is near the Sydney Fort, if you've heard of that. And then the Cotton Green Station. This is where all the sheds are. Lakdi Bandar and Daru Khana, which is right now shipwrecking, happens there. So basically, we go there, you'll see a lot of dead ships being dug into. And then this is Ferry Walk, also known as Bhaucha Dakka.
Yeah.
And this is where you would take a ferry to Alibag, anywhere else. This is a public area. Princess Dock, which is used to be one of the heritage docks, and now it's been filled with rubbish just to make more land. And this is an offshore container terminal, which Admiral knows really a lot about. They've invested like a lot of money.
It's 1,000 crores they've spent because they can't bring ships here. It's a waste. So
They spend money to build it.
yes, which they can't use now. It's lying idle. It's completely idle. It's a 700 meters long jetty.
About that there is a possibility for a common Mumbaiker to be able to cycle.
Can you just go on that side so we will get a picture?
So a normal Mumbaiker like us would be able to cycle from Gateway all the way to Badala on a Sunday if we just create a public
She's a
promenade.
cyclist. She's a cyclist. That's it.
I'm a cyclist and I would love to it's hardly like 40 minutes and you can go and come back.
Not Bombay, no.
So, but you're living in Bangalore?
Yeah, I
We're
live in
trying to
Bombay.
bring the equal street stuff here as well.
Okay.
So that we have space to do this as we do in Bangalore.
And then
Obviously, the idea is to be able to do that without taking it away from people who need to drive cars.
No, exactly. And what is this area?
I don't think it's a great idea because you do shut down the street, you do create more traffic. While people get to see cycle.
This area is really mountains of coal and shipbreaking and stuff which shouldn't be happening.
and there's already an
So you
express.
move the rubbish out.
And then yes, you will have things.
Non-operational parts of the Bombay port must go back to the city of Bangalore effective and mandated. In 1988, the Ministry of thank you so much.
मैप पर देखते हुए सब थोड़ा आप किस तरफ रही हैं?
मैं सर
हाँ जी हाँ परफेक्ट
how do you see main road access? Like I live in Bandra. I'm on Bali.
That's perfect. That's right. So what we're saying is we need Swiss connectivity.
Yeah.
We need these roads to be built. At the moment,
But I mean, I'm way up there.
your Bandra is that's it.
Yeah.
This is Sydney.
इमरान ये इमरान साहब Sir, one more here.
Listen, can we do one thing? Can we have the turn around and
Meera ma'am, just please be in the frame. Imran here. Imran left.
Banana straight here. Dr. Kanodia, I'd like you to come, please. Where's Mr. Pradhan?
I'll just get him.
Mr. Pradhan, Mr. Mehta, आप भी आ जाइए.
They used to stand like a close to a handsome man.
Oh yeah, on your left hand side here.
Perfect. Sir, Mr. Pradhan, please.
आइए
यहाँ पे नहीं है ना
थोड़ा लेफ्ट थोड़ा
वो है ना वहाँ पे पोस्टर
Kate, come along.
थोड़ा राइट को पुश करवाएं थोड़ा राइट को करवा दें
आइए गीता जी आइए
थोड़ा राइट
मैं सिंगल पे ले
इस बैनर के लिए हमारे
बैनर ठीक है आ रहा बैनर
नहीं आएगा बैनर आएगा अच्छा रहेगा ऐसे ही
अभी हम लोग थोड़ा आगे चले
सही रवि
And you can actually have a water taxi that can start. Mumbai has
I have a daughter now, so I've got to start thinking.
Oh, then you got to. We'll move on. So this is Elphinstone Estate. Have
Right.
you heard of incubator estates? For example, they can't afford a place to live. They start it. So it's happening all over the country. UK and Bangalore, etc. You bring large format spaces where a young entrepreneur can build a best of all. If his business succeeds, it moves on to a bigger space. If it They dump the stuff, pollution. It can just be converted. Have modern things, have cold storage, have selling process, have toilets, have creches for the women, have a food court where all of us can go and have holy food. Simple things. We're not talking about anything. We're not saying bring Times Square to Bombay. We're saying bring Bombay to Bombay. That's the
Plus, we want digital weighing machines. That's today's thing because we're being cheated. That's today's Mumbai Mirror. Yeah, today.
Next, आप पेन लो इसके ऊपर, पेन लो इसके ऊपर, पेन लो शाबाश.
रसूल
बताइए शहर कैसे अच्छा बनाना.
आप लोग वहाँ जाकर के फोटो लीजिए.
एक सेकंड के लिए पोज करो भाई.
हाँ बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे.
सब लोग ताली बजाओ भाई. चलो. ये देखिए, आपको पता है ना, ये सब अमेरिका से आए हैं टी-शर्ट. हैं सब.
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ. इमरान सर थोड़ा इस तरफ.
बड़ा होके पहन लेना.
पेन लो बेटा, पेन लो. शाबाश.
We want a sports stadium in Sivri. That's what we want. ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है.
इसको दे दो, मेरे ख्याल से ये सबसे बड़ा है ना.
ये सबसे बड़ा है. चलो.
चलिए.
I know.
It's American size.
ये थोड़ा आगे जाएगा.
थोड़ा पीछे. पेन लो बेटा, पेन लो. आप लोग पेन लो इसको.
फुल साइज.
राकेश
इनिशिएटिव है. क्या आपको लगा कि ऐसा होना चाहिए और कैसे हेल्प हो सकता है इसमें?
ऐसा बिल्कुल होना चाहिए. देखिए मैं 30 साल से शहर में रह रहा हूँ. आई फील दैट द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इन द सिटी इज़ गोइंग डाउन एवरी डे. अगर आप देखें हमारे शहर में कमर्शियल एरियाज़ हैं और रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज़ हैं. रिक्रिएशनल एरियाज़, ओपन स्पेसेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ रीचिंग अ पॉइंट वेयर द सिटी इज़ गेटिंग स्ट्रैंगल्ड, इट इज़ गेटिंग सफोकेटेड. वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ आवर फ्यूचर. It's not even at a stage where we have to think about our children's future. We have to think about our future. अगले 10 साल में हम यहाँ जी पाएंगे या नहीं जी पाएंगे. To me, this seems like the only solution.
आपकी आने वाली मूवी के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ बताएंगे, क्योंकि आप बहुत दिनों तक डैडी को एंजॉय कर रहे थे बनने का.
इस वक्त मेरी अगली फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू हुई है लेकिन ख़त्म नहीं हुई. सो इट्स लिटिल अर्ली टू टॉक अबाउट इट.
अच्छा, थोड़ा कुछ बताना चाहेंगे अगर फिल्म के बारे में?
निखिल अडवाणी की फिल्म है. इट्स कॉल्ड कट्टी बट्टी. इस फिल्म में मैं पहली बार कंगना के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. अभी हमारे 20-25 दिन ख़त्म हुए हैं. वी हैव एटलीस्ट 40-50 डेज ऑफ शूटिंग लेफ्ट. तो आई थिंक प्रोबब्ली बाय February March विल फिनिश शूटिंग.
ओके, मतलब जल्दी हम आपको बड़े पर्दे पर देख पाएंगे?
उतनी भी जल्दी नहीं, कम से कम 6-8 महीने तो लग जाएंगे शूटिंग और एडिटिंग ख़त्म करने में.
Thank you.
Really, it comes down to quality of life. It's not just about having a place to live and having a place to work. It is about having recreational spaces, open spaces, cultural centers. That is what makes a city truly great. We can live anywhere. You can make money anywhere. What will make Mumbai a properly metropolitan city, like London, like New York, like Hong Kong, is the chance for us to have open spaces, recreational spaces, and creative spaces. We absolutely, it is the need of the hour. It is reaching a critical situation now.
So what's your message to the citizens and the leaders of our city to make this vision that you...
आप लोग भी तैयार हैं? एक one with the IMC. एक IMC स्टाफ
एक सेकंड सर अरे प्लीज थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए एक सेकंड थोड़ा साइड
चलिए हमको जाना है प्लीज बहुत पेशेंट
सर थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ ना
चलिए शाबाश
साइड हो जाओ ना सर साथ में ही 16 इधर आ जाओ फ्रंट इमरान